A customer of mine had her beautiful acrylic piece fall off somehow and it broke. So we're gonna see if we can salvage, because the pieces themselves look fine. It's just obviously the acrylic. So we're gonna see if we can pry these off. This is the thing, we're gonna figure it out together. We're gonna try to pry it off and we're gonna try to re-glue it on a new piece of acrylic. I think I might even be able to salvage these letters, which I wasn't so sure at first, but it looks like if I just sand it down and repaint, that it should be okay. Oh, it is missing an I right there and an S. We're gonna carefully start just chiseling away. The thing is I really don't wanna break these pieces, the actual pieces of wood, because then that's gonna be much harder for me to make it like exactly the same. Next one off. Oh man. That's what I don't want to do. Don't you dare break. Don't you even think about it. I get free first. Whoop! Yeah! That's not bad. I'll take it. Now I can get to your corner. Set you free. Yay! Okay, that was honestly half of the struggle, was get everything off clean. Now I need to sand down all the glue on the backs and recut out a new piece of acrylic. And all I gotta do is glue it back on. Okay, that's pretty exciting. Okay, well, the last thing I have to do is glue it back up, and I did not realize we were going to get here today. I think I'm just going to do E6000. That way I have some playroom with it. Because I'm putting this on acrylic, wood glue is not the best because it doesn't have wood fibers to adhere to. That's the only thing that makes wood glue work, is it adheres from the fibers in the wood to the other fibers in the other wood. I just ate my weight in Cheez-Its, and I don't think I could be a happier person right now. And there we have it, folks. I'm gonna let that glue set overnight and I will ship it back out to the customer.